Can you see your notes? Super. Yeah, that's a lot of notes. It's great. Great. Okay, wow. Oh, super. We're back. So after the workshop 1, you made the video. How many of you made the video? Raise your hand. Yeah, I know you did the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, the one who didn't make the video. Hey Tony, thank you very much. Getting out, right? Oh yeah, okay. So the one who didn't make the video, you guys actually missed out to give this knowledge you have learned through the last workshops. Some of the video I saw, I think you made a video, got like 200 or 300 likes and interactions in one video. Peter made a super video. He was courageous and he made the video and made the post. It was viral that video already. He made a video. It was a great video as well too. So if you're not making a video, first thing, you're not giving your knowledge to other people, and other people doesn't know that you have the knowledge. And you're also losing the point as well too. So thank you very much for that. Thank you. Yeah, see you in the next workshop. So do not miss the opportunity, guys. The one who made the mistake, not making the first clip, make this one, because you have the same assignment again after the workshop 2. You do this one, make a clip based on the thing you have learned today. Make your 1, 2, or 4 tips, put it on the clip as well. The one who made it, check it out. You already have the momentum. Just make the second one, and it'll be amazing. And guys who didn't make it yet, go ahead and make it for these workshops. I saw your video. You made a great video, right? Cool. So that's basically it. Do not keep listening. Like I said, guys, I want each of you to be a high distinction scholar for this season, and do not miss out any of the program. And you can see that we are learning a lot of things. And be the social champion. What it means to you. You learn and give it to the community, and that's make you the influence other people, that make you somebody to help other people. That's exactly what the champion does, right? So I will send the assignment again for the workshop 2. Focus on the workshop 2 content and make the topic what you have, the tips you make down 2 to 4 based on today's workshop, and make the second video. Somebody made a very good, lot of likes. Some video maybe not gonna get a lot of likes. It's okay. You keep making it. More video you make, more interaction you're gonna get, more attention you're gonna get, and that's what you need to do, helping people and giving them the knowledge. All right? We got a T-shirt, right? Bring them in. So 2 of you guys didn't have a T-shirt yet. Who are they? L. Here you go. Let's see it for you. Thank you. Put it on in the next workshop, okay? Oh, you got it. All right. Put it on in the next workshop. Oh, love the T-shirt. So the few things we need to do is about there's a gift, right? We talked about there will be a winner, the first is enrolled program. What's the winner? What's the winner? Any guess? I think I told you in the last workshop. You? Why? How did you win this one? Can you tell us?
Yeah.
What comes to your mind to win this prize?
I really like it. And I currently don't have any account, so I need to borrow an account. So she transferred it to you.
And you get the online image and you can so look the story. He even didn't have an account. He told his friend to do the enrollment down, and they not to me, he sent it to the program team, not to me. I didn't receive anything. I don't receive a single Vietnam dollar from the organization. It's all comes to the organization. So he even made that report. Yeah, I think that makes you. He's the winner, right? Queen, he's the winner, right?
Yeah, please.
That's you. Congratulations. Get a new shoe, put it on in the next workshop. Let's give a big hand to the winners. Where is the next workshop? Okay, where is it? Yeah. That's basically it today, workshops. I'm really happy that you guys are getting on board, learning exciting thing. Like I said, that all it matters, you always take yourself high by learning a lot of new things, and that will make you higher to higher to higher. Better human, better in skills, better in mindset. I think that's the thing you should be always chasing, right? So, anything else you want to share after the today workshop? Anything else you want to share? How was the workshop? It's fun? Boring? Sleepy? Or what? Dull. Alright, let's call it off and take a group photo. Come over. We'll take a photo together. Come over. Can you take a photo on this one? Can? Yes. Come over. We'll take a group photo. Yeah. Come on. Everyone. Come closer. I'm not biting anyone. Come in.
Hey guys. Am I close? Switch
Yeah, something is there. Super. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. And who has been wearing this t-shirt? You? Come in. I will take a photo with you. Something.